The ThinkPad is back. So this is like the third time back with this ThinkPad. We've tried countless Linux distros trying to get it to work, but today we're going to install Windows 10. It's not actually going to be like the full version of Windows 10. I am installing Tiny 10 because this laptop's from 2009 and has a really weak Atom processor, and I don't think it's possible to even download Windows 10 normally. So we're going to do that today. We're going to download Tiny 10. We're going to test it out. See if we can play some games. I just want to play Peggle on this thing, man. That's all I want to do. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I don't know what else we're going to do with it. I don't know what else it could do. I don't know. Maybe we'll make a little mini video or something. I don't know. But I just want this computer usable. Like, if I can get this to be a daily driver, that's all I ask for. All I ask for. I know it's like almost impossible, but I just want it to be online. I want to be able to do things, just things, anything in particular, because that is yet to happen. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to give it some nice treatment. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain in the backside, because that's been happening too much. Let's get started. I need to quit yapping. So, bit of a backstory for this ThinkPad. I got it a part of a lot of 8 laptops for $40, meaning that this laptop only costed me $5. It's from 2009. It has a really old Atom processor. I'll throw it up on the screen because I really don't remember which one it is. It originally had 2 gigabytes of RAM, but I did upgrade that to 4 gigabytes. I think that's DDR3. Might be DDR2, honestly. I don't know. There wasn't any hard drive in here, so I decided to put an SSD in here just to help it out a little bit. Did not help at all. It's still slower than anything I've ever witnessed ever. But honestly, for the price of $5, it's really well. And I know that there's still some life to it. Oh yeah, and the only other thing that doesn't have is there's no battery. So I do have to plug it in order to get it to work constantly. But if I can get this to work as a daily driver, I will buy a battery for this. It's only like $15. But originally, this computer came with Windows 7. So ultimately, in the end, I might just re-download Windows 7 to see if that works. Because if it came with Windows 7, it has to work with Windows 7. Like, there's no reason that cannot work. I got my Windows 10 USB. I don't know what distro I have on this. This might be dual booted or something. I guess maybe I don't want to interrupt normal startup. Maybe I just want to see what's in it. That's a lot of stuff. Alright, let's just let it start up. Let's see what I have on this thing even. It's been so long. Alright, are you going to keep beeping at me or are you actually going to work? Also, I do have this dual booted with Zorin and Linux Mint. Wow. I don't know, if this doesn't go well, maybe I'll have to reinstall these, but I didn't know I had both of them. Cool. Alright, we're going to restart. Enter. We're actually going to interrupt this time. Startup. Boot. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. Boot from the USB, pretty please. Let's just get Windows. That's all we need to do. Okay, so it's definitely not this one. I'll be back when I have Windows installed. Real quickly, I just want to say, if you guys like my content, go ahead and join my Discord down below. Not only are you able to talk to a bunch of people who like computers, it's an amazing community, and you're able to get extra sneak peeks on future videos. So if that's something that interests you, the link will be down below in the description. Enjoy the video. It's been like an hour and a half. I had to re-download the Tiny 10 file from Rufus because it wasn't like a legacy one or whatever. It was UEFI. And so because of that, it just did not want to work. And so it told me to re-download it and whatnot. So I was like, cool. I re-downloaded it. We're going to see what it does. I just want to see how hot it gets, honestly. Hey! Oh! We have Windows. Do you have a mouse? Hey, look at that. Alright. Looky here. Yes, I accept the license terms. Custom. Oh yeah, I have different partitions. Oh, I don't know which one's which. I assume 3 is going to be Linux Mint. Oh, and I have to do the thing where I'll be back. We got it. Look at that. I did have to completely delete everything off that SSD, so goodbye Linux. You did a good job for us. I'm gonna get back to you guys when this is done installing, because this is gonna take forever probably. It's downloading. It's doing it very slowly. How hot is it? Oh, it's decently hot, not too bad. Come on, keep chugging. You got this. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. It's only taken like 10 minutes apiece, but it's slowly coming together. Yes, we are from the United States. Unfortunately. I forgot this is gonna take another 10 minutes, my bad. Something went wrong. OB keyboard. Skip for now, I guess. Alright, I guess I'm gonna wait even longer. Alright, I told it that I didn't want Wi-Fi, and it also made me realize that this laptop only has a 2.4 gigahertz receiver. I only have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi at the moment, so I'm gonna have to use my hotspot. I'm gonna let it load again. It's been doing this for like an hour now. Ah, yay. Another thing I have to... Alright, I'm gonna skip it. Back to loading. Great. Great. Alright, let's try again, I guess. I really hope this works. I've been sitting here for way too long for this to not work. This is like the 5th time now that it has done this. I'm gonna try it again one more time, but I don't think it's gonna work. I really don't think it's gonna work. I think we might have to accept defeat, which really sucks. I did not want to do that. I already wiped the hard drive too. I don't even have Linux on this anymore. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Hopefully it actually works. Yeah, it's not downloading. Normally, when something happens like this, I tend to just scrap the video. And that's what I was originally going to do with this. I was going to scrap this along with the countless others that I've scrapped. But I'm going to decide to throw this together for you guys. Maybe one of you guys can figure out what I was doing wrong. Did I forget to do something? Yeah, I am pretty upset. I'm really trying my best not to show that. But I'm really hoping to do more this year. I haven't been motivated to do much recently. And since graduating college last month, I have felt decently lost, so I have tried to take the time to figure stuff out. I know I enjoy this and I want to do this, and so I'm really trying my best to actually get myself to do this. I don't want it to feel like a job. I don't want this to feel like something I have to do because I'm not going to enjoy this. I have a bunch of ideas that I've been working on, and I have a bunch of stuff planned. So stay tuned for that, and I promise it'll be worth it. Once again, I was not able to get this ThinkPad into working order. Maybe there's another operating system that I've missed. I know there's a few that's caught my eye. Ubuntu, but that just seems like it's too much for this little computer. Pop OS, but I kind of want to do that on another laptop. So just let me know down below as well. Like, what operating system do you think that I could try with this that would actually turn out to be halfway decent so that I'm able to actually, like, use this? Because I don't want this to go to waste. Like, this is a perfectly good laptop. I mean, as long as you consider perfectly good turning on and works. That's all I have for you guys today. I don't know when I'm going to upload next, but I'm going to try my best to give you guys the most high quality content that I can from here on out, no matter what it takes. That's what you guys deserve. So that's what I have to deliver. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks to my channel members. Rodri. If you want to get early access to videos, become a channel member today.